Question 4. A theater set designer is designing a piece of flat scenery in the shape of a hill. The scenery is formed by a curve between two vertical edges of unequal height. One edge is 2 meters high and the other is 1 meter high. The width of the scenery is 6 meters. A coordinate system is formed with the origin at the foot of the 2 meters high edge. In this coordinate system, the highest point of the cross section is at 3.5. A set designer wishes to work out an approximate value for the area of the scenery. A. Explain why A less than 21. This is 0, 2. This is 6, 1. This is 2, 3.5. We want to explain why A less than 21. Let's form a rectangle with the shaded region in it. We got the area of this rectangle is 3.5 times 6 equals 21. The shaded area is in this rectangle. So A less than 21. B. By dividing the area between the curve and the x-axis into two trapezoids of unequal width, show that A greater than 14.5, justifying the direction of the inequality. Let's go back to this shaded area. Based on the given information, we can form two trapezoids. We will label this is A1, here is A2. So for this A1, area of trapezoid is given 1/2 A plus B times height. So if we have this trapezoid, this is A, this is B, this is H. Area of this trapezoid equals 1/2 A plus B times height. For the first trapezoid, the area will be labeled. This is 2. This is 3.5. Height is 2. So we get 1/2, 2 plus 3.5 times 2 equals 5.5. For the second trapezoid, the base here is 1. The height is 6 minus 2 is 4. So we got 1/2 times 3.5 plus 1 times 4 equals 9. Since the shaded area greater than A1 plus A2, so this A greater than A1 is 5.5 plus 9, which is A greater than 14.5. In order to obtain a more accurate measure for this area, the designer decides to model the curve edge with a polynomial h of x equals ax to the third power plus bx squared plus cx plus d. A, B, C, D are real numbers, where 8 meters is the height of the curved edge, a horizontal distance x meters from the origin. C, write down the value of D. For this, h of x equals ax third power plus bx squared plus cx plus d. This d is called y-intercept because it's a constant in this polynomial function. So d equals 2. In other words, h of x equals ax third power plus bx squared plus cx plus 2. Let's go to D. Use differentiation to show that 12a plus 4b plus c equals 0. Differentiation means derivative. We are given the local maximum is 3.5, which means h prime of 2 equals 0, because for derivative at local maximum or local minimum, f prime of x equals 0. First of all, we need to figure out h prime of x equals ax third power plus bx squared plus cx plus 2 prime equals. This formula is given. So we have a times 3x squared plus b times 2x plus c. Constant number will be 0. Organize 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. Then we will figure out h prime of 2. Change every single x into 2. 3a times 2 squared plus 2b times 2 plus c equals 12a plus 4b plus c equals 0. Let's go to E. Determine two other linear equations. We will get these two other linear equations by substitution. We already used this point to 3.5 for h prime of 2 equals 0. We can still put this into h of x, which is h of 2 equals 3.5. Also this point, 6, 1. h of 6 equals 1. We will use these two equations to form the equations we are looking for. h of 2 equals 3.5. We know h of x equals ax third power plus bx squared plus cx plus 2. Substitute 2 for x. A times 2 to the third power plus b times 2 squared plus c times 2 plus 2 equals 3.5. Organize 8a plus 4b plus 2c equals minus 2 both sides. 3.5 minus 2 is 1.5. This is the first equation. Second equation, h of 6 equals 1. A times 6 to the third power plus b times 6 squared plus c times 6 plus 2 equals 1. Use calculator. 6 to the third power is 216a plus 36b plus 6c minus 2, both sides equals -1. This is the second equation. F. Hence, find an expression for h of x. We know h of x equals ax to the third power plus bx squared plus cx plus 2. We need to figure out the variable a, b, and c. We got 3 equations. We will use a calculator to work this out. Go to menu, 3 algebra, 7 solve system of linear equations. 3. Then variables a, b, c, enter. Then put in all 3 equations. Enter. A equals 0.0365, B equals -0.521, C equals 1.65. By GDC, A equals 0.0365, B equals -0.521, C equals 1.65. So h of x equals 0.0365 x to the third power minus 0.521 x squared plus 1.65 x plus 2. Let's go to J. Use the expression found in F to calculate a value for A. We got to use the integral. Check this shaded area. It's from 0 to 6. Integral from 0 to 6 of 0.0365 x to the third power minus 0.521 x squared plus 1.65 x plus 2 dx. Let's go to calculator. Go to menu, 4, 3, integral from 0 to 6. Put a function into this integral. Enter. Answer is 16.0.